In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to enable two-factor authentication on Luno. Now, enabling two-factor authentication on Luno adds an extra layer of security to your account. Here's how you typically do it. First of all, you need to access your Luno account through the mobile app or the website. Then you need to look for settings, security, or a similar section within your account. Now you need to locate the 2FA or two-factor authentication or enable 2FA option. Luno will likely offer options like Authenticator app, that is Google Authenticator RT, SMS authentication that is less secure but sometimes available. Now you need to, if you're using an Authenticator app, this is actually recommended, download and install the app on your device. Luno will display a QR code or a setup key. All you need to do is just scan the QR code with your Authenticator app or manually enter the setup key. The Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code. Now, you need to enter a 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app into Luno to confirm the setup. Now, you need to also remember to save your recovery codes, as this is very important. Luno will provide recovery codes. Store this in a safe place. They are crucial if you lose access to your Authenticator app. Now, you need to confirm that you want to enable 2FA.